Good morning, friends, once again. So, today we are going to discuss about the teamwork. Already, we have looked back with the teamwork and effectiveness. Today, we are going to see, as per our schedule, what is teamwork. See, over the past 2 decades, what has happened. The use of teams have increased dramatically in response to new competitive pressure, greater flexibility and speed, then the desire to give people more properties to the investment of what to say the skill in them. So these are the three objectives, main objectives, which made this teamwork to be effective in the drastically in this way. So what makes this teamwork effective? Like these teams and their applications within the organization, the teams of different types of teams, stages of development, team characteristics, individual contributions to teams, team costs and benefits, ability to measure teams and how to manage them. Fine. Now, first of all, when we see all these things in this chapter, finally you will understand all the concepts what I have read it out. Now, what is team? Already I have discussed with you that two or more people, when they unit together, they interact, they coordinate with their work and get clear. They accomplish and they functionalize in the specific goal which has been given. So, in such areas, this teamwork plays an important role. So, all organizations, they give the work in teams alone. So, when you look at this model, you can understand what is the context, the formal structure, environment, what is the culture, the strategy, the reward. So, we have to work on all these sides. See, the team in the sense, for an activity based, we can do an activity that is a simple activity. Suppose if the table is placed in front of the classroom, now that table has to be lifted from one class to the neighboring class. When there are four people asked to take the table, now each one of them have to support to lift the table equally. Only then the all can freely take the table and place in the other class. If in such area, if one misses himself to support equally to lift the table to the next class, what happens is the trouble starts, and what happens is the people cannot have complete their task. So this formal team is vertical, horizontal, and special purpose. Now we see vertical team in the sense, now with the 10 members, one leader will be there. So this is vertical. A leader will take care about their own team within the 10 members. He should have a control, he should have a good coordination, he should have a good plan to complete the task, assign the task or whatever. Horizontal means it's between the peers. It is a composition of employees from the same hierarchical level, but from different areas of expense. Okay, that is the thing which we talk across. Then another area we can talk about the self-directed team elements. Employees with several skill and function. See, who am I? An employee should know who am I. So that individual together, okay, all fingers together, if it comes, we call them as hand, and two hands together we call So 2 fingers, 10 fingers together, we all the strength, isn't it? So likewise here, every finger, every finger should work for the hand. See, the thumb finger is there, middle finger is there, small finger is there, and all the fingers, it does its own work, and everyone's work together, our hand functions. So likewise, equally, they should give access, right? Good information, equipments, machinery, supplies, every kind of needs, okay, in this. And they should be empowered themselves, definitely, okay. They should learn well, they should implement well, right? The teams like virtual team and global teams. So we have to discuss about this. We have to watch some of the teamworks, what others do, and we have to implement ourselves. We have to learn, and we have to organize in such a way to take our groups and group work to the next level. So, okay, what is that big challenge that we have in virtual teams? See, we have few highlighted points here. That is, select the right team members. So now comes over here, we have studied about the formation of a group, isn't it? So right person, when we select itself, we have to select a person who supports us full. Okay, the second point is manage socialization. He should know how to manage the team. Then he has to create trust with the team, that he will work for the team, for him as well as for the development. Then if he should work effectively to manage communication, right? Then what characteristics that we are having here? Now, what characteristics? See, according to the size, according to the types, we have different diversity. We have to produce such a diversical character over here, and see, they have different roles. The picture says over here, they have different roles. They have, see, all together, it join hand brings a success. Over here, when you see this picture, you see all together, see, they are working to fix this. This is the task which has been given, and they are working to fix this. You see, this part should come here, this part should come here, so only then they can fulfill the activity. So that is the major thing what we need in the uh, what to say, the teamwork. So they should identify, and you see, already we have seen this direction, this subject, the topic, that is forming, storming, norming, performing, and adjourning. Very, very important slide that a team should come up with a good structure to combine and complete the task in good. Okay, then they should have different rules, regulation to follow, and development is their objective. So for the development, what to say, the thing should be, rules should be taken out for completing this. Is it clear? So that's all about today's presentation, and I think everybody have understood about this topic. So team is very, very important. By concluding, I should say that work for teams for its development. Thank you so much. I'll stop with this today. We'll continue in the next session. Thank you.